So if you have a multiple files in MS Word and if you wanted to merge those files in a single file, okay, so what you do generally, the manual method is you can copy the matter and paste in a single file, okay. So it will take a lot of time also, okay, and a lot of confusion also, okay. So because you need to keep remember that which file data is pasted here and which file is not. So you need to keep checking once again and again, okay. But there is a shortcut also. Through that, you can do it in a seconds. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you that how you can do it. So do not go anywhere. Keep watching this video.
Guys, before I proceed the video, two important points. You'll get videos in two different languages, Hindi and English. Second, don't forget to subscribe to learn something new. So let's start video and let's see that how we can merge multiple Word file in a single file. Okay. So for that, I have created from the folder from the name of new folder. Okay. As you can see, it is here. In new folder, you will get 5 different file. Okay. Let's check out what is there in these file. Okay. So first you will click doc A. So when you will click doc A, you can see the simple A letter is written here. Okay. Let's click doc B. So you will get B letter is written here only. Okay. In doc C, you will get letter C is written here. Okay. So like this, doc E and doc D and doc E. Okay. And we will merge these files in a single file. Okay. I have created file very simple because you can understand easily that how it is going to be merged in a single one. Okay. So let's open the single file. As you can see, it is a blank page of MS Word. So for if you wanted to merge multiple files in a single file, so for that you need to click on insert. As you can see it on the top ribbon, you'll get insert button just near to home button. Okay. In insert, you'll get an option called object. Okay. It is here now. It is here. As you can see, this is the object. So let's open the magnifier so you can easily understand. As you can see, it is the here. Okay. And just near the object, you'll get a small arrow. So you need to click on that. So when you'll click on that, you'll get two options, object and text from file. So for merging the multiple files, you need to click text from file. Okay. Let's close the magnifier. Okay. So we will click text from file. So when you will click text from file, it will ask you that which file you wanted to merge. Okay. So we have created a new folder on desktop. So we will click on desktop. In desktop, we will find out that where our folder is available. Here it is. Okay, new folder. Click on that, and again you'll get those file which we have checked earlier. Okay, doc A, doc B, doc C, doc D, and doc E. Okay, so for merging the multiple file, you need to select all the file which you wanted to merge. Okay, as you can see that I have selected all the file. So when you will select all the file, after that you need to click insert, which is here. As you can see, it is here. Okay, so when you will click insert, all the matter available on those file will be here on single file. So as you can see, A, this is the matter of file A, and B, matter of file B, C, matter of file C, and D, matter of file D, and the E, matter of file E. So guys, this is how you can merge multiple Word file in a single file.